The question relating to the antiquity of Veerashaiva religion versus Lingayata religion is a highly agitated issue for last 500 years, whereas the Lingayat religion is around 900 years.
There was a simmering contradiction between the Veerashaiva people who believe in Veerashaiva sect and people who believe that they are Lingayats. The very nature of their spiritual identification and the day-to-day routine religious culture were completely different, and their spiritual notions were also different. And many people in the past, including many Sikhs and the political activists, have been saying that Lingayat Dharma does not belong to the Hindu Dharma, which is dominated by Brahmanism as an ideology, the core of which is caste-based distinction and caste-based inequality.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವೀರಶೈವ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತರು ದಡ್ರೇನಲ್ಲ, ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರೇ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
This Veerashaiva and Lingayatism, they are poles apart. And if you want to use the modern political terminology, we talk in terms of rightist and leftist and centrist and so on. Hinduism, Brahmanism, and this kind of Veerashaivism is right-wing, rightist, anti-progress, backward-looking. And Lingayats, they are Protestants, they are progressive, they are revolutionaries, and they are left-wing. So right and left cannot meet at all. They can meet only for a quarrel, only for a conflict.
Today you find an equal number or greater number of Lingayats in Maharashtra, more numbering over 1 crore, and then an equal number about beyond 1 crore in present day Telangana, earlier Andhra Pradesh. And even in Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool, Kadapa, Warangal is in Telangana, Anantapur, these are all very strong Lingayat belts. And in Karnataka, entire north and central Karnataka is dominated by Lingayats. South Karnataka also is at one time had sizable number of Lingayats, but for historical reasons it dwindled. And today we have all the 4 states put together, roughly about 4 crore Lingayats in the country, as revealed by the respective censuses since 1871 in Madras, 81 in other parts, imperial census. You can see those figures.
Lingayats have started asserting for the first time. Historically, this is a great assertion, and it is going to continue up to the logical level. For the first time, the whole Lingayat intelligentsia wants to come out of the clutches of Veerashaivas, because Lingayat elites are dominated by Veerashaiva elites. It looks like it is a kind of struggle between the elites. If you come to the grassroots, the Lingayat landlord and Lingayat landless are basically, they are different in their economic and social positions. But then Lingayat elite had some kind of comfortable position with the Veerashaiva elite in broad Hindu state. But Veerashaiva elite did not allow them. They always looked them down. So there was some prick always in that. Now they have started asserting that, and there is progressive current even within the Lingayats. They have also joined the voice, and there is a big mass base to it. Now this is not going to succeed.
So that ignited the whole movement was present Chief Minister renamed Karnataka State Women's University after Akkamadevi, who was one of the well-known Shivasharanas, contemporary Basavana, a Lingayat. Then he also renamed Central University as Basaveshwar University. These two were great historic events for the community. So they invited him for a felicitation. They felicitated him in a grand style.
ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ವೀರಶೈವ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತ ಭಾಳ ಬಹಳ ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಹಳ ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಧರ್ಮ ಇದು ಹಿಂದೂ ಧರ್ಮದ ಭಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವೀರಶೈವ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಧರ್ಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು ನೋಡಿ.
This man, not knowing what was waiting for him, simply in all his innocence, or I don't know that ignorant, whatever, but in all his innocence, he said yes. Very next day, you can see within 4 days, Chidananda Murthy and other people went and protested. And that protest is on behalf of Virashaivas, the Brahmin part of it. What they said is, no, it's part of Hinduism, how can you do that? And then against that, I wrote a very strongly worded article in edit page of Prajavani. And that flared up further. Then he replied. Then I wrote a 20-page article in 11 journals, e-journals, Bail and all that thing.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಯಾವ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಏನು ವೀರಶೈವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ವೀರಶೈವ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತರ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೋ ಏನೇನೋ ತಮಗೇನೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹುಚ್ಚುಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ವೀರಶೈವ ಬೇರೆ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತರು ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದರು.
When consultative meeting was called, some 3,000 people, 80 MLAs of all the parties, 80 MLAs. Most of the ex-MLAs of BJP came. District and the Taluk people came, but elected fellows did not come. Except that, Janata Dal people were there, some nearly about 50, 60 Swamis, no, nearly 100 Swamis were there. That was on 10th of August. There I clarified and told these people, whatever agitation you are starting, 3 things you should not forget. One is it should be non-violent and peaceful and disciplined. It cannot go awry like a street fights and all that, number 1. Number 2, don't expect quick results. If you think that you get it before the next election, you are really being misled. Don't have those illusions or delusions about it. Because if you think that whatever has gone on for last 300-400 years, you will be able to wipe out in a matter of months, it's a totally mistaken notion, not possible. It may drag on to several months, it may drag on to several years, it may drag on to several decades also. Because Jains fought for 40 years. For 40 years. Buddhists fought for quite some time, but they had the support of Ambedkar and Ambedkarites, Dalit Sangharsh Samitis all over the country. So they got it earlier. Jains after 40-50 years, why 40 years? 70 years actually, if we say. When the constitution was being framed, it is that time only Jaina people agitated. From 1940 onward, they have been fighting. And it took about 70 years for them to come to that level.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾಸಭೆ 113 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಹಾಸಭೆ ಇದು. ಅವತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ವೀರಶೈವ ಲಿಂಗಾಯತ ಒಂದೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
We are saying no Virashaiva, because Virashaiva is exactly opposite of the Lingaites. We don't want that. You may be practicing with us, but your philosophy is totally different. Either you change the philosophy and join with us, or you get out. That's where it is happening. This awareness started spreading 10 years back. When they changed the name themselves, today it's called Virashaiva Lingayata Mahasabha. Earlier, for 110 years, it was only Virashaiva Mahasabha. Now we are saying remove that Virashaiva. Okay.
ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಿ ಬಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್? If they say that they are separate from Virashaivism or Virashaivism is separate from Lingaitism, what do they get?